Hey guys, it's Sumoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much guys for clicking and thank you for always coming here to watch my videos. Yes guys, it's Sunday morning. Yeah, the weather, let me show you the weather. Is weathering the pears. I'm going to give you a little bit tour after the main video. So today's video, actually, we are going to cook porridge. This is my gas here. I have this gas cooker here. It's a propane gas. This is propane gas over here. Let me show you. This is propane gas here. This is an old gas, but we're using it now. I have this propane gas, a cooker that I got from an open air market here. This is just a pot. So this gas, as you can tell, it's on. And the reason why I put this gas on is because today we are actually cooking porridge. And this is the flour I'm going to use. As you can see, it's a finger millet. It says Wimbi. Wimbi is a Swahili name. Let me put it down here. You guys, you can see. So it says Wimbi millet. So this is what I'm going to use to cook porridge. The reason why I wanted to cook porridge today because I wanted to test my stove here of how it actually cooks porridge outside when really, really good and the weather is. My kitchen garden is there. I'm going to give you a little bit of tour, but let's focus now on Wimbi porridge or finger millet porridge. Okay, let's cook. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to put this pot here. As I told you before, this pot, I'm dedicating this pot and this one for outdoor cooking. I don't care if it's smoky out here. I don't care if it gets dirty. This is how, because this is direct fire, so it's going to heat this pot. That's why I chose this pot here. So all the time you are going to see me, actually most of the time or most of my cooking videos, I'm going to be using this pot or this pot. The reason being because I don't care if they are dirty outside or if they are smoky outside, because that's the way they're supposed to be, and this is direct fire, so you expect this. So I'm going to put my pot, and also I'm going to add my water. Of course, I'm not going to cook a lot of porridge. I'm thinking this is enough right now because this morning we feel like we need to drink lemon porridge. Oh my goodness. After all this, I'm going to put lemon. So the first thing you do when you cook porridge, you put water in the fire, and this water is going to come into boiling, but not completely boiling. So I want you guys to focus on this part, not this part, because this part is empty. I'm going to cook something later. But this one is where we're going to focus. We are going to cook porridge here. So let me show you how I'm going to prepare my Wimbi or my finger millet porridge. This other pot here, we are going to pour our Wimbi over here. We're not going to put our lot. Let me show you. I wish somebody can hold the camera for me, but it's okay. So we are going to put a little bit of a Wimbi like this. Let me show you. Actually, I put my gloves. Well, actually, this is the match flour we are going to use. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add, it's a cup of 2 cups of flour. I'm going to add water here. Yeah, you can see me adding water. And then the next thing, I'm going to come with a cooking stick like this one. And then I'm going to start stirring my flour. I'm not going to make it mushy. I want to make sure I keep adding water so that it's not hard and it's not soft. Okay? This is how my mama taught me how to make porridge. And I'm going to tell you at the end the little story about this porridge. I don't know if I should tell you today. Yes, this is how. And make sure, guys, these lumps, you stir until these lumps, you don't see these lumps. You see, this one is going to make the porridge taste really, really bad. So you want to make sure it's really good. Let me just put it here to this other stove because this stove is not on, but I decided to put this flour here, so at least you can see, because you can see exactly how I'm stirring this flour until the lumps are gone. It's a lot of work, guys, when you're making porridge. So guys, as you can see, cooking porridge is not easy. So as you can see, the lumps are really gone. Look at that. All the lumps are gone. This is what you want to see when you are preparing porridge. And also our water here, it's kind of boiling. This is what you want. You don't want it to be boiling, because when it boils immediately and you put this flour, it tends to create more lumps. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour our mixture of flour in here, and then I'll continue to stir as fast as I can. Make sure I'm mixing it so well in case there is any lump that was left there. Make sure our porridge is mixed well. And also, you see my pot, my other pot that I used to prepare this flour. This is where I add water, because all this water is still going in here to the porridge. So let's keep stirring, because I don't want my porridge to create any lumps, guys. This is how we make porridge. So let me tell you a story while I keep stirring this porridge. When my mama taught me how to cook porridge, or my family, where I come from, which is East Africa, Kenya, the way we were making this porridge, we were making bitter porridge. So when you make it bitter, to make it bitter, you see here we use a lemon, but back home sometimes we never used lemon. All we had to do is to prepare this flour like this one here and ferment it. Ferment it for 2 to 3 days. You just prepare, put it in a container or a pot like this one here. Let me show you. Sorry, my battery went off. So you put it in a pot and you wait for 3 days for it to ferment. So when it ferments, it's when you make porridge. I'm telling you that porridge used to taste like busa. It's like alcohol, but not alcohol. You see, non-alcohol porridge. So you ferment it, you are not adding anything. It's just pure finger millet or just corn, but it's fermented for 3 days without adding anything. It's just flour and water. And I remember we used warm water. So I just want to be quick, because I don't want my porridge to make any lumps. And I can feel like my porridge is getting heavier. Let me grab some water. So my porridge is getting heavier. So all I had to do is to mix water in here and add the water here. And then keep stirring this porridge, because I don't want it to create any lumps, okay? So this is how you make porridge. Finger millet or, yeah, finger millet or wimpy porridge. See how smooth it looks. So my mama, I love my mama so much. So this is how she taught me how to make porridge. So I know how to make this porridge. But here in the US, where I am right now, I use lemon. You can use fresh lemon, but today, let me show you, I have this lemon. This is the lemon that I have. This is from Concentra, yes. This is liquid lemon. This is what we are going to use after our porridge is done. I'll show you how I'm going to pour. But right now, let's focus cooking this porridge. The good thing with this porridge is, like, as it keep getting heavier and heavier, you keep adding water until it's amount that you need, or until you feel like it's not getting that heavier. For me, I love to drink my porridge not too watery, but I want it to be a little bit heavy. And that's how I like it. Some people like it this way. Some people just want to leave it their way. But for me, I just want to stir a little bit more, because I like mine a little bit heavier, or my family loves ours a little bit heavier. Okay. So guys, we are doing it. Let's keep making our porridge, or cooking our porridge actually. So this is morning here. We are enjoying. So I'm gonna stir it a little bit more as I give you a tour of my kitchen garden. So as our porridge is cooking, let me give you a little bit tour of my kitchen garden for the new subscribers, because I see we have new subscribers and they were asking about my kitchen garden. So I want to be quick. I'm going to do another video, but this one is just this morning for quick. We have some kales here, very nice kales, healthy, growing. As you can see, this is a cantaloupe. It's a fruit. It's like a watermelon, but it's not. It's yellowish when it's ready. Over here we have plums. This is another fruit, which is a plums. They're purplish when they grow. Also, we have another type of kales here. This is another type. We have black nightshade here that is growing as well. Yeah, also we have mint that is hidden in there. We have what is that? Yeah, we have mint, and there's another thing there. And also, oh, we have okra. Let me show you guys. We have okra here. I need to hurry because I need to go. We have okra that is doing so well here. We have more okra on the other side right there. So very soon we're going to start harvesting more okra. So also here in my backyard we have some pears that are really doing so well. June towards the end we should be eating these pears. So back porridge. So our porridge actually is doing so well. Let me show you. Porridge is porridging here. So I may need to add a little bit of water. Let me show you. Oh well guys, we added our lemon. You don't have to add a whole lot. You add according to your liking. Some people like lots of lemon like myself. Some people don't like a lot. And some people don't like my sugar as myself. This is the point where you are supposed to put sugar for those ones who are sugar lovers. For me, I think I'll pass because me and my family at this point, we are not adding sugar. The reason being we've been lovers of sugar for so long. At this point, we don't need sugar. I'm trying to slow down on sugar, trying to shed some pounds, so I don't need mad sugar on my either tea or porridge like this. Really, I'm trying to stay away from her sugar. So this is the porridge. I'm going to wait a little bit for it to boil. Make sure it's blending in with the lemon. Everything is balanced. So and this is 100% natural lemon juice. Okay, that's what we're using. So let's wait for our porridge to boil, and then we are going to call it a day. Oh well guys, I wanted to show you, like, if you don't like putting sugar on your drinks, you can just use raw honey. Sometimes I do use honey if I want to, but I wanted to show you that you can substitute sugar for honey. So our porridge actually is done. Oh my god, our porridge is actually done. I went ahead and turned off the stove. This is how delicious this porridge is looking. Oh my god guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to let it cool down a little bit because this thing is hot. If it boils on you or on your tongue, your mouth, you are going to be sore. So I'm just going to let it cool a little bit. Then I'm going to show you how I'm going to serve it. Look at that. Look at that. This is how my mama taught me how to cook porridge. Look at that. Very nice. So we are going to wait for the porridge actually to cool down. Oh well guys, thank you so much for the support, and thank you so much for always coming here to enjoy these cooking videos. Guys, in my channel I told you I do cooking videos, I do travels, I do beauty. So I enjoy vlogging about my lifestyle, and this is how my channel is going to be. For the new subscribers who are subscribing, thank you so much. For those ones who are already doubting, I encourage you to give the videos a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe, and please make sure you leave a comment. When you leave a comment is when I know how I'm doing. If you're liking the videos, I'm dedicated here from the US to an African village here, making content for you when I'm free. This is my free time, okay? It's not my 9 to 5 job, but it's my side hustle that I want to showcase and show people, like, it's enjoyable, you can juggle multiple things here in the US. You can do more than one thing, or you can do more than 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Okay, social media is one of the things that I enjoy, especially cooking, things like this. Like right now, I'm cooking outside, and my view is my backyard, is my pears, it's my swing set, it's my pot right here. This is my view, my neighbor's fruits over there. I love this view. Oh well, let me serve and then I show you. So guys, I'm going to use this spoon right here to serve my porridge. This is my cup, my huge cup. So we are going to serve. Make sure I don't spill. I can get a cup, but I love serving with this spoon because I don't want uh, clumsy. So let's go ahead and fill this cup with porridge. Yeah? Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Well, guys, as you can see, my porridge is done. It has cooled down, so I'm ready to enjoy. And filling out here, ready to tackle today. Ha! But first, I need to finish my porridge. So look at my cup, guys. Oh my God. Huh. Mhm. Thank you, Mama, for teaching me how to cook porridge. Now we are done with the porridge. I'm gonna have it with some sausages as you saw. We're gonna have some eggs and some other sweet potato, which I'm going to show you maybe some other videos when I'm going to do my cooking videos. I'm gonna take you where I buy my sweet potatoes and my yams. So we are going to be cooking here in this stove. So we have lots and lots of cooking coming. So make sure you subscribe to Umoto Lifestyle. Give the video a thumbs up and especially give it a like, and make sure you subscribe and comment, guys. From here to you, I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me enjoy my porridge. Cheers. I'm so